the party.
Oh my god.
My festive jumper all day. Can't wait. Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I just need to knock something over. I just put the dishwasher on, so I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. Today is a getting-ish done around the house day. Oh, there it goes. The painter is back in today and I thought I would show you my bathroom. I thought I would start the day showing it to you. Now, it's still pretty dark outside so you can't see it very well, but the bathroom is painted and it looks amazing. Oh my god. And we did end up painting the ceiling, painting the light fixtures, everything. Finally, all the woodwork and all the doors are being painted. These doors just need one more coat, I believe. In there is dark as well. I absolutely love it. I think it's so elegant, and because it's such high ceilings, you can get away with how dark it is. So I am super happy with it, and I'm so glad I managed to get it done in time for the party. I think it's gonna look incredible. The party's on Saturday, so it's only a few days away, which is why I'm having a in the house day. I'm only leaving the house to go to the gym later. The whole day is gonna be tidying and getting crap out, packing orders, stuff like that. Speaking of orders, there's only a few days left to get 20% off my merch. So if you want to get an EmmasRectangle mug, either a mug of positivity, a I'm a mug, or a hot beverage of choice mug, they are linked down below. Use the code birthday20 and you guys can get 20% off your order. Make sure you order them soon in time for Christmas if you want one. I'm gonna wait for my voice to wake up, sip on my coffee, edit yesterday's vlog, and then I will be right back with you. Before the day can start, I need to go to the shop because we're out of milk. And when you have tradesmen in, having no milk is an issue. You're not going to be making many friends. I've learnt that over the years. This is my festive jumper for the day. It says bar humbug on it. Oh, it's crisp. It is cold. Wow. Milk bought. We're going to have my first tea of the day. I just went to the bank, got cash out to pay the painter. Time to head home and finally edit Vlogmas because I didn't get to do it before having to run out the door. Hello! It's that time of day again. I'm gonna do my advent calendar. This is the room I'm tackling today. Look at that. That's all the clothes that are up on my Depop that need to be packed up. The pile is so much smaller, it's actually insane. Makeup, reflector, just so much stuff in this room. This is where this is where the party's gonna be, so gotta get it tidied up. Glossy box. Yes, I'm so excited. I remember I've opened this one as well, sorry. It is Chloe's Nomad perfume. I remember, I love the bottle. Super chic. Cool, I'm excited about that. And number 2 from Nivea. Shower cream, rich in moisture. I've nearly finished editing the vlog and then I'm gonna crack on in here and I'm gonna time lapse it and it is gonna be a satisfying cleaning montage and I can't wait. How is it already dark? I just uploaded yesterday's Vlogmas, the first Vlogmas, and the sound's really dodgy in it, so I apologise for the weird sound. It was like adjusting it, I don't know. It will be fixed in this one. I'm just gonna run off to the gym, then I'm gonna come back and tackle this because that's basically all I'm gonna have done today. I'm sorry, today is just a homey, boring vlog. And I feel like I've only vlogged about 5 minutes of my day. And the reason for that is that today has been one of those days where literally everything has gone wrong. I've just had a very rage-inducing day, to be completely honest with you. and my goal was to tidy that office and get it empty so that I can have a party in there on Saturday. Basically just one thing after another just kept going wrong. I had to do things, and then my vlog was up a little bit late because I was doing something, and just one of those days today, I'm afraid. I don't want to ruin the fun Christmas spirit, you guys. I am going to tackle this room. The painter left today. He didn't finish what we needed him to finish, which I'm a bit disappointed about, because it means I'm not going to be able to get my carpet put down until probably after my birthday, definitely after my birthday, which is a massive shame. There's also like some stuff that I need done for my party, which I'm now going to have to do, and the reason I got somebody in to do it is because I don't have time to do it myself leading up to the party. I've got a lot of work on at the moment, and I've also got just a house to get party ready, which is not at all party ready. It was like, I'm just gonna pay to get a few burdens off my back, and those burdens aren't completely finished. It does look really, really good. He also hung a light for me, which have no bulbs in because I don't have the right bulbs for the light fixture. So let me just show you. I'll also show you tomorrow in daylight, but here it is. So the chandelier will open, like, so it's full and round, but here is how things are looking in here. So it looks so fresh, so clean, everything is lovely and white. The ceiling hasn't been painted because my dad needs to put the wallpaper up there. Is that paint? Right, there's blue paint on that door. But other than that, you guys, I love this colour. I think this colour is stunning. And the chandelier is such a statement, it's such a contrast. Like, I'm really pleased with what's been done. I think it looks gorgeous. It looks really, sorry, I'm really sweaty. That was a hard session. You know, when you kind of set yourself a timeline and it just doesn't go to plan. And also, I'm kind of annoyed that the light isn't working in there because I wanted to put some furniture in there with you guys now. I'm gonna get my studio light. Hold on one sec. Here we go, we've got the studio lights out. So, I've just put this little unit that I bought in the vlog the other day. I've just popped that here, which is where it's going to be living. It's a little bit narrow, but I'm gonna hopefully be hanging some plants down. So that will fill the space, and then there's gonna be a piece of art here, piece of art there. So that's the first thing. We put up this little shelf. This is from Next, I believe. I'm gonna go get the plant that's gonna live there. Put a little plant in there. He'll be, I need to like rearrange him, but that's where he'll eventually live, and things are coming together. I want to get a different bath mat, one that's got a little bit of colour, because at the moment it's just white and I think it's too much white. I want a little bit of pattern and a little bit of colour. The other day when I bought my Christmas towel, let's put some lovely festive Christmas stuff on to make me feel better. To get my guests in the Christmas spirit. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I picked up from Lush tomorrow, I think, in tomorrow's vlog, so you'll see that soon. Exciting new addition, my toilet roll and toilet brush. This one can go upstairs. There we go. I need my dad to put this on the wall as well.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. stay. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show.
Hey guys, I'm sorry today's vlog's been a little bit of a bummer. It's just been one of those days, and sometimes people just have those days where things just go wrong. And sometimes you're in a bad mood and it's hard to shake it because of those things that go wrong. And sometimes the things that go wrong aren't in your hands, and it just happens. I started tidying the office. I have so much paper and cardboard to take to the dump, but basically my car doesn't have an MOT. They sold me the car without my locking wheel nut, which is usually unique to the car. So you can't just buy one. You need to go to the garage of that make, so mine's a Fiat. You've got to go to the Fiat garage, get their skeleton key to be able to get the wheel nuts off so that they can basically fit you new ones. And I need it to pass my MOT because there's something wrong with something that's happening behind the wheel. It's really, really annoying because I'm kind of at a stalemate at this point because I can't drive it to go, like, you know. So I can't go to the dump and do the dump runs by myself because I don't have a car at the moment, and I really, 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 really miss my car. I've not driven it in about 4 months, so I can't wait to get in my car and give it a drive. But yeah, so I can't go to the dump. It's the moral of that story. I'm sorry I went off on a little bit of a tangent there. I'll go and hopefully do that with Tim. I don't know when. Tomorrow I'm up in London. I've got a meeting up there with my manager, and then I'm going to come straight back. I'm not going to hang about because I have quite a lot of filming to do for a couple of brands. I also want to crack on tidying that office and getting it basically empty for the party. That room that you just saw me tidying that is filled with shit, that is the room where I'm hosting it. Am I insane? Probably. But I'm so happy with how the bathroom looks. I'm in love with that colour. I think it looks gorgeous if I do say so myself. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because I'm going to a 6 AM legs, bums and tums class in the morning. So I need to get some sleep because my PT session was really, really hard today because I was pretty tired. So I'm gonna try and get a decent night's sleep before my class in the morning. So yeah, just a very chilled one. Bit of an anticlimax compared to yesterday's vlog, but it's all good. Hopefully tomorrow's will be a better day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.